Hello, my name is Ash, a counselor in training. This is my Relatable study podcast for individuals who need help studying for their NCE, CPCE, and other related counseling exams. I'm going to go through many questions from multiple resources and make the answers relatable to both you and me. So get your listening ears on and let's get studying. In order to find the coefficient of non-determination, subtract the coefficient of a determination from 1.00. A scatter plot dictates A multitude of a single score, B, pairs of scores, C, one score, D, the unscored results of an experiment. The answer is B. A scatter plot dictates pairs of scores. I am generally confused how this question was asked. The only thing you need to know from this question is that a scatter plot dictates a pair of scores. I would highly recommend and review your statistical terms and equations to better help you understand what is going to be on your CPCE, NCE, and any other relatable counseling tests. What is opiate use disorder? Opiate use disorder is a substance use disorder which involves the dependence on or misuse of opioids. It is a chronic medical disease with potentially serious consequences such as death, relapse, and disability. I would recommend looking into the DSM-5-TR to gain more information and related symptoms of opiate use disorder. According to Vlietsky's social-cultural development theory, what is a key factor in a child's cognitive development? A, the level of biological maturation of the child's brain. B, the child's ability to learn independently through exploration and play. C, social interaction and cultural context in which a child is raised. D, the child's innate intelligence and genetic predisposition. The answer is C. The key factor in a child's cognitive development is the social interaction and cultural context in which a child is raised. This is what Vlietsky said in his sociocultural development theory. I would highly recommend reviewing his theory because the social interactions and the cultural context in which a child was raised is a huge factor in how a child's cognitive development functions and is influenced, because many individuals have different kinds of cultural contexts and social interactions which influence how they develop and grow up. What is oppositional defiant disorder, ODD? Oppositional defiant disorder is a childhood disorder that is characterized by a pattern of defiant, angry, and hostile towards authority figures. With ODD, individuals can end up in juvenile detention because of their aggressive and hostile behaviors with police officers, or they may get in fights frequently with their parents and may end up running away. I would recommend reviewing the DSM-5-TR for more information. Throughout the entire psychosocial assessment, the client maintains the same sad expression. Which of the following terms best describe the client's affect? A, restricted, B, flat, C, inappropriate, D, blunted. The answer is A. The client's affect is restricted. The restricted affect is a noticeable limitation in the range and intensity of expressed emotions, which this client has maintained the same sad expression throughout the assessment. So her affect would be restricted. That is all 5 questions for this episode. Thank you for listening. Keep calm and study on.